Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents with digital signature. Digital signatures offer a highly secure and legally recognized method for signing electronic documents. They employ advanced cryptographic techniques to guarantee the authenticity of the signer, the integrity of the document, and prevent repudiation. This means you can be confident that the document hasn't been tampered with and that the signer is indeed who they claim to be. At its core, a digital signature relies on a pair of cryptographic keys, a private key for signing and a public key for verification. When you sign a document, a unique digital fingerprint called a hash is created and then encrypted using your private key. This encrypted hash is your digital signature. If even one character in the document changes, the signature becomes invalid, ensuring document integrity. To create a digital signature, first obtain a digital ID or certificate from a trusted certificate authority. Once you have your certificate, open your document in compatible software such as Adobe Acrobat or Microsoft Word. Navigate to the signature field, select your digital ID, and follow the prompts to apply your secure signature. This process typically takes less than 1 minute. Verifying a digital signature is straightforward. Simply open the signed document in a compatible application like a PDF viewer or word processor. Look for a signature panel or click directly on the signature itself. The software will then display crucial information, including the signer's identity, the validity status of the signature, and whether the document has been altered since it was signed. This provides peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.